Bruno, come here. My love, Bruno. My love, Bruno, come here. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm going to show you what's got to be done.
Okay.
So you can.
Mara!
I see not up here. Show him. He's young and got strong legs.
Bruno! Hold your stick together. Two hands.
I am going to get lots of exercise from strengthen these legs.
It's there now. Oh no.
Hey, come here.
I thought that's done. What?
Open this up.
Okay. And
Oh, it's so okay.
let
I
me
was so
see.
worried in a while. See that gauge? The needle's this way. When it starts to go into the red, that's when
Okay.
we got to start thinking about ordering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hold on. I got to see how much we have. I can't even tell. Well, we got 30%. No, 30%.
Okay.
So we're okay.
Rudiger.
Okay.
Hey, Bobo.
We're okay. So I got to check that. With this weather like this, we can't run out of gas. Now going back.
Hey, somewhere out there. See?
It's easy now, 'cause I've got track.
We have a very high and thick snow. We cannot walk it proper.
I can go fine as long as I have tracks.
Bruno, I want to. Bruno, come here. He's not coming. He's not coming either.
You having fun, Bruno? Huh?